Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. Today we're going to be heading out to the trails and I really want to go do some more off-road miles on this awesome Ford Transit. This does have the Trail Hero kit, 2.5 King shocks all the way around it, as well as a bunch of other suspension upgrades and our awesome springs in the back of it. It's going to be fun. I'm excited, you know, maybe even do a little bit of shock tuning today, play with the adjusters on those shocks, see what a difference it makes. But come with me, let's go have some fun. We're hitting the trail today. Some local trails. We're gonna head up to the mountains. I don't know how many miles this is gonna be, so it'll be kind of cool. We're at 263 miles on the Transit. We probably should just reset it. But this is what it's like when we go try to get content. You know, just find some really cool trails, find some places where we get to really use the suspension. Pretty much kind of doing what we think you would want to be doing with your Transit, you know, getting off-road and enjoying this beautiful countryside that we live in. So right now we're gonna head up this mountain. It's looking pretty nice. Now I want to tell you one of my first things that I noticed is you get on these roads, really washboard style roads, and usually you just feel like the whole van is just kind of like shaking, kind of beating the crap out of you. I do feel with these suspension on it, this is the Trail Hero kit. I mean, it drives really smooth over these washboard roads. It's pretty nice. It's actually pretty fun. And now in this Transit, I still don't even have a build out, so I'm completely empty in the rear. So I feel as if if I had some more weight in the back, it'd be really good for two things. First thing would, you know, probably give me a little bit more traction in the rear. But also just softening it up that ride just a little bit. I do have the Kings set on the softest setting still, so I do have 20 buttons or 20 clicks of adjustment, which is going to be, you know, really nice. Another thing that I really love about this suspension setup is I feel like it doesn't matter whether I'm on a windy road out in the middle of nowhere or on a dirt trail. Overall, the suspension just handles really, really nice. We're on this backcountry windy road, and you know, just driving, you know, through here 30 miles an hour, 40 miles an hour, doesn't matter what it is. The car just is in really good control. It hugs the road really well, and it just makes it more enjoyable, I think, to drive. I mean, just going around these corners, I don't feel like I'm getting a ton of sway in the van. And I don't feel as if I can feel the road. I think that that's overall like what I want. I want to feel the road. I want to not feel like the road is in control, and more I'm in control. I'm getting to have fun and really just enjoy driving my Ford Transit. Well, I've pretty much come to the conclusion that it doesn't matter whether you're on the pavement or you are you know, on a dirt road, you're out on a trail. The Transit just really is fun to drive. It's very much like a car on the road, you know, giving you that nice tight feeling, you know, going around these corners on these windy roads, you know, not getting a lot of, you know, body roll, not getting a lot of sway in the car. And then just when you get off-road, it's just a lot of fun as well. The washboard roads, I felt like it really did awesome. You hit these potholes like no problem whatsoever. You just kind of cruise. The thing is, it's not beating up your van because the suspension, the King shocks, everything that we build at Weldtec Designs, you know, is working really well to just do what it's supposed to do and allow you to have fun driving your van. So definitely hope you guys enjoyed kind of hanging out with me today and you know, making some van videos. But I definitely had fun getting out and getting to drive my van because this road is a lot of fun right now. So I'll see you later. I'm gonna enjoy driving this thing.